Welcome to row 200 quant questions. Out of 210 students, 65 to 75% of the students like football and 55 to 65 like cricket. Since we want minimum, let's take minimum. So 65% of 210. If you calculate this, so 65% of 200 is 130. 65% of 10 is 6.5. So you get 136.5. So you get 65 to 75. That means that should be more than 65. Can't be less. So 137 is the minimum students who like football. Similarly, if you look at cricket, minimum will be 55% of 210. 55% of 200 is 110. 55% of 10 is 5.5. So if you calculate this, it becomes 115.5. So that means again the minimum will be 116 because the value should be bigger than this. Right? So who like both the sport? So 210 students, number of sports like this, if you add it up, becomes 253. So subtract 210, you will realize 43 students like both of them. You can use the formula of, both A intersection B is A plus B minus A union B. Okay, union B is A plus B minus A intersection B. So total 210 equal to 137 plus 116 minus people who like both. Even with this, you will get the value as X as 43. That will be the answer. C option. K is a natural number. Find the largest number that always divides. One is you can obviously substitute and check out. Suppose if I substitute K as 1, what do you get? 1 into 2 into 3 into 6. So 6 is 18, 2 is 36. Put K as 2. So 2 into 3 into 4 into 7. So if you look at 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24 into 7. So multiple of, here it's a multiple of 36, multiple of 24. So common thing that is there in both is just 12. Common factor. 2 square and 3. Because then when K equal to 2, there is only 1 3. In both there is 2 2s, so 12. So you can mark C12. If you want, you can check with one more number. It doesn't go below 12. One more way of looking at it is K into K plus 1 into K plus 2 are 3 consecutive numbers. If you have 3 consecutive numbers, it will be definitely divisible by 2, definitely divisible by 3. There will be one number which is a multiple of 2 in 3 consecutive numbers. One number which will be a multiple of 3 in 3 consecutive numbers. So 6 is there definitely. But we have K plus 5 also. So if you realize that if K plus K is even, then K plus 2 is even. Right? And if K plus 1 is even, K plus 5 will also be even. Right? In that case, these two will be odd. And in this case, these two will be odd. So two numbers has to be even. They have to be multiple of 4. Because suppose if K plus 1 is 2 in this case, K plus 5 will be 6, also multiple of 2. So they have to be multiple of 4. So multiple of 4 plus multiple of 3 will give you multiple of 12. That's how you get C answer. So two numbers will be a multiple of 2. One number will be definitely multiple of 3. So together they will be multiple of 12. So that's how you get multiple of 12. A person travels to work in his car and takes 8 hours to reach the office. Right? But on a specific day, okay, his car developed a problem after traveling for 8 minutes. Due to which his speed is reduced by half. Speed reduced by half, that means like double the time. So that means initially it took 8 minutes. After further 8 minutes, that means he traveled 8 minutes, but he took double the time. That means normal time would be 4 minutes. He took 8 minutes, but a normal time would be 4 minutes. Again, the time reduced by half. That means 1/4 of the normal time, means 4 times the normal time he will take. Right? His speed reduced further by half. Here was taking double the time. Now will take 4 times the time. So that means normal time will be 2 minutes. So we have 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, 40 minutes. And this time will become 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 minutes. This becomes 15.5 minutes. That's the answer. I'll repeat this again. First 8 minutes with a normal speed. Next 8 minutes at half the speed. If you half the speed, the time taken is double. So double the usual. Further half, that means 1/4 the speed. If 1/4 the speed, the time taken will be 4 times. Same way continues 8 times, 16 times. From that you can find the usual time taken to travel those distances. So take as 4, 2 and 1 and 0.5 minutes. Adding those time will directly give you 15.5. Ratio of two numbers is 5:7. If A is added to both the numbers, it becomes 3:4. What is the smallest value of A? The thing to do out here is make the difference same. 5 and 7 is difference is 2. Make this difference also 2. To make this difference 2, multiply by 2. So you will get the value as 6 and 8. So 6 and 8, difference is 2 and 2. Now check out how much you have to add. You have to add only 1 out here to make it 6 and 8. So answer is B, option 1. Okay, you have to only add 1 out here. So it will become 6 and 8, which is 1. The cost of the mango is same as cost of 2 apples, which is same as cost of 3 bananas. So let's take a LCM of this. Let us take a price common as 6 rupees. So that means the price of 1 mango is 6 rupees. Price of 2 apples is 6 rupees. So 1 apple will be 3 rupees. Price of 3 bananas is 6 rupees. So 1 banana will be 2 rupees. So total price is 11 rupees. Now they say price of mango increased by 10%. When you say 10% means increase by 0.6 rupees. And price of banana increased by 25%. When you say 25% means it increased by 0.5 rupees. So here also it increased by 1.1 rupee. So it was 11 rupees, increased by 1.1 rupee. If you look at it, increased by 10%. So B option. Because Apple did not change. The increase is only 1.1. 1.1 out of 11 is 10%. So we get the answer as 10. Thank you.